Yeah, they're invincible, and she's just in the background. And she says, I wish that I could be like the cool kids, 'cause all the cool kids, they seem to fit in. I wish that I could be like the cool kids, like the cool kids.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video we are here at Joseph Bar, which is one of the most famous bars here in Goa and definitely one of the most famous in Panjim. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you this bar. Let me tell you a little history about this bar. So in 1980s there was this movie called Sea Wolves that put this bar on the map. So there's a famous picture of these actors who were standing outside this bar, which got really famous. And basically the actors, this movie was a Hollywood movie, so it was really popular and the Goan culture adapted it and people started copying the hairstyles and the dressing sense. So this place became really popular. Place is so popular that we have so many A-listers that come in here. You'll have some of Goa's biggest businessmen that come in here, and there's people from all walks of life that come in here basically. We're going to be getting all the prices, the alcohol prices and everything inside basically, guys. So let's go and check out this amazing place. Okay guys, so we're going to head into Joseph Bar right now and we're going to meet Mr. Greg, who's going to be showing us all the cocktails and everything which is available at this bar. So let's just look around and see what's the place like. So this is on a street which is like this old Portuguese quarter, and as you can see there are some stools here which you can sit in the evening and chill out with lots of people. And you can sit here also. This is very popular with people from all walks of life, as I told you, and we've had a great time. I've made some great friends. That is why this place is so famous. The whole place is about the vibe and the people that you will meet over here. So I've met people from all over India and different countries at this bar. So let's go inside and meet Mr. Greg, who's going to be talking to us and telling us all the prices and everything. So Mr. Greg, hi.
Hi.
Okay,
Good day to you all.
Yeah. So Mr. Greg, you're going to tell us about the prices and everything available at the bar, right?
Absolutely.
Okay, so
First of all, it's nice to have you guys, and please, welcome to this beautiful bar. There's a lot of things you can see, the history of this bar, and please come down here and try some cocktails that we do here, some drinks. Make yourself a lovely day.
So in this bar we have all kinds of alcohol, right?
Yeah.
We have Fenies, we have, basically it was called a Feni bar. Yeah? So it's very popular as a Feni bar. Okay, so what kinds of Fenies do you have?
So we have right from coconut Fenies and to all the Fenies and Urak. We keep a special distilleries of local drinks like Feni, Urak, and everything comes down. And the special we have on the menu is Tamre Rosa.
Which is what?
Which is Feni, and then we have the mixes of lime, soda and everything that goes on. So that's a flower that goes down with Tamre Rosa. That makes it more beautiful, So I'm going to show you the cocktail that I'm going to do to you.
Okay, so we're going to make this popular Feni cocktail which Mr. Greg, the barman, is going to make for us. So what is this? What was that?
So that's Feni.
Okay, so that's local Goan authentic Feni. Is this coconut Feni or Caju Feni?
Caju Feni.
Caju Feni, okay. So that was Caju Feni. And then what are we going
to put? And then you have what I put here is a local chili here.
Okay.
And that goes with the lime. Because there's a little bit of zinky.
Chili and lime, wow. So that gives a little tang and twist to the drink.
Tanginess to the drink.
Tanginess, yes. Okay, and what are you going to mix this with?
A little bit of salt down here.
And then we're going to mix it with some limca and Sprite. Limca and soda, right?
Limca and soda.
Okay, so when you're in Goa, this is something you really have to try out. And always limca goes with urak or feni, so it's very popular.
So a little dash of soda here. And the other thing that cuts off nicely the flavor for you. So we got the kokum juice.
Oh wow. So the kokum gives us a little twist. So that is...
And then with a tip of...
Okay, so that is the finishing touch which makes this incredible. So that's our cocktail, guys. I'm going to try it now and we're going to see what it tastes like. So I'm going to taste this cocktail now, and that was good. That is the taste of Goa, guys. So okay guys, so let's get into getting to know everything about this bar, the prices and everything, and let's check out the bar as well. I'm going to show you around and you'll get an idea of what this place is like. Okay guys, so we're going to head to the fridge and we're going to see what we have in the fridge. So what is the most popular thing that gets sold here? What are the people drinking in Goa when they come to these
We
bars?
have a lot of people going down for the ales. We got the 8-finger.
Okay.
We got the Goan ale here, you know, which is the same. And this is more on the fruity side. And this is quite popular. Everybody's drinking more of this. So tried it out. It's a beautiful.
So these are the most
Selling.
popular selling ones, right?
Selling ones.
Okay, what is the prices of these?
So they are almost like a 190.
Both are 190.
190.
190 rupees.
Yeah.
Okay. So
And
these,
apart from the price, it's not a price, but it's a beer that is loved by a lot of people who come here.
okay. So these are called craft beers, right?
Craft beer.
Okay. So these are craft beers. These are not your regular beers, guys. These are craft beers, so they are specifically made moonshine.
Beer.
Okay. So moonshine is traditional mead, basically, right?
Traditionally.
So these are different flavors. This one is what? Natural honey.
That's natural honey.
How much is that?
So that should be 200.
200.
Yeah.
Okay. 200 rupees. Okay. What else we have? We have.
And then besides that, we have all the lagers. We have right from Budweiser to Kingfisher and all. We have
Budweiser is how much?
Budweiser is about 200.
Kingfisher,
Kingfisher is about 100.
100 rupees.
Yeah.
Tuborg,
Tuborg is 100. And we have Draught Kingfisher, which is a pint of 100 rupees.
okay.
So which is a good deal. It's nice chill. I chill the mounts down for you nicely, and you know you can come down anytime. You know.
Yeah. Let's just look around and see the place and get the feel of the place. So they are also the winners of Bartender of the Year, okay, and they have Dive Bar of the Year awards. So this place is so popular that they have won 2 awards in this last 1 year itself, which is 2019. Of course, all the bars were closed in 2020. So this is some vintage looking stuff here, which is very cool. And as you can see, we'll just take a look around. So it has this very retro feeling. As you can see, all this is original. This has been here from the beginning of when the bar was open, and it just has a little paint on top just to give you that rustic vibe. But the vibe is crazy here. It's incredible. Okay, so credit card bills above 200 only. So we just look around at the bar further, and yeah, so this is the main bar area, and then we have this small sitting area also where you can chill with a family or a few friends. And also if you're sitting, you can sit outside there as well. Okay, so now we're going to move on to seeing what we have at the... Okay, so we have... What are these called?
We got Susikat wheat.
Okay. These are
which
called
is
craft beer, or what is it called?
Draught beers. Yeah.
Draught beers.
Yeah,
Okay, so
draught
these are
beers.
draught beers.
And, They're born beers, so which is very nice. Susegat is relaxed. While you drink your beer, and that makes you fantastic. Have a nice good evening. So we got mango, we got and we keep it chilled down. So anytime you feel, please do come down here and try the beers.
Can we put a sample into a small glass and just show them what it's like when they say?
So what I do is I get the glasses chilled down for you here. We keep the glasses chilled for you, and so that it comes nice and fresh to you. And
So,
that's
ice cold glass.
Susegat.
Susegat. Okay, Susegat means relaxed in Goa. So that's like the feeling of Goa. When you're in Goa, you want to be that relaxed kind of person who's just chilling out. Okay, so there are different kinds of flavors, right?
Yeah, exactly.
So
So you're gonna try the mango flavor, mango way.
Okay, so this is
Tropical mango flavor.
tropical mango. Are they allowed testers, like a tester when they come in?
We do.
Yeah.
Before we sell anything,
Yeah.
so some people they would like to taste it, so we do that.
Okay, so you can
They're free
test.
to
Yeah.
try it out.
So you can try it out before buying it. So I'm going to try this out. Before we try it out, he's going to just explain to us what other flavors are there. So we have the mango. This is the mango, right?
Yeah,
Okay,
that's
then what other ones are available?
And then we got the Goan craft beer. That's a normal ale.
Normal ale, which is Goan craft beer. And the last one which we have is the, what is it called? That's also Goan craft beer?
Candelaga.
Okay, what is the difference between these?
So the mango wheat goes a lot because people like to be a little bit on fruity side, and the ale for the regular people who go on.
Okay, how much do these cost? Oh,
So they are about 220 for a half pint.
So this pint costs 220 rupees.
Right.
Okay guys, so now it's time for me to try out some of this beer. So I'm going to try out the first one, which is, what is this? The mango.
It's a mango variant.
Mango variant. This is so sweet. It's not sweet, it just tastes like you're having some mango juice kind of thing, but it's a beer. It's not very strong, but it tastes really good. What's the next one which we have? So this is the pale ale.
Yeah, and that's the normal ale.
So he's going to give me all these different ones. So I'm going to try the normal one, which is the pale ale. Okay, so this is more like crisp. So this is something which I would drink more because it's more crisp and it has this nice, stronger feeling compared to. So you could compare this to like a draught beer, which is like Kingfisher is one, but it's not as strong in the sense it's not as hard notes. These are more soft notes of alcohol when you're having it. It's very soft and it's quite nice. So definitely try one of these when you come here, and I'm sure you will like one of them. So of course you can try the testers and see which one is your favorite, and you will love one of them. I'm sure about it. Or if not, you can move on to your Budweiser or any of the regular alcohols that you like. So let's talk about hard liquor. What are the hard liquors you have?
Besides that, then we have, we push a lot of gins. We got a lot of people are asking for gins. We have Strangers and Sons. We got Black Jewel. Of course, I squeeze the lime. So the lime is very compulsory with the gin, so I do that. And then we have, with the whiskeys, we got Paul John, which is a good brand.
That's a single malt, right?
Single malt. And yes, of course, we have everything that you require.
Okay. So how much does Stranger and Sons gin cost?
So the Strangers and Sons is going to be 300. And yeah.
So Stranger and Sons is 300. Paul John?
Paul John is 150.
Paul John is 150 for a
small.
single malt. Can you believe?
Small, yeah.
For small is 30 ml, right? Okay. And Stranger and Sons is 30 or 60?
30.
30 ml. Okay. So all drinks are 30 ml. Okay, cool. What about black and white?
Black and white, we do it for 120.
Okay, so we'll just check the bar menu here. So this is the Joseph bar menu. When you come here, you'll get this. I'll take a picture of this and show you guys the proper menu and all the prices. Okay, so what about this Arbor beer?
So we got a Kingfisher Draught, and then we got
Okay.
Arbor also that comes.
How much
from,
is the Kingfisher draught?
Kingfisher Draught is for 100 rupees.
100.
Rupaya.
Okay,
And then we have Arbor also, which is from Bangalore,
okay.
which is a nice ale. So we have a lot of
How much is Arbor beer?
Arbor is 200 rupees.
200 rupees. Okay. So you'll also have some Goan snacks, right? So
Yeah, and then besides that we got churros,
okay.
and then we have chicken samosas, we got croquettes, we got fish rishois. We provide a lot of food, shakoti,
So these are all Goan snacks.
all bone snacks.
Okay.
So we do have all that.
She sees him walking in a straight line. That's not really her style. And they all got the same heartbeat, but hers is falling behind. Nothing in this world could ever bring.
Okay guys, so basically why I recommend this bar is because they are very hygienic and they keep all the safety procedures, as you can see. Okay, only for the video I've requested him to take this off, but otherwise they are always with their face shield, they have their face mask on, and I only did it because there was nobody else at the bar, so it was fine. He's the most famous barman in Panjim city and definitely one of the most famous barmen in Goa, and all foreigners, all tourists all over Goa know him from all over the world. So we're going
by Gundu.
by Gundu. So we're going to get his little exclusive, a little story behind who he really is and what's his name.
I've been, my name is Gundu. Actually, my name is Prabhakar.
Okay.
Prabhakar Asgaonkar. But people call me Gundu only through my father's name. My father was working at Hotel Cafe Tato. That time I was in the Club National.
Okay.
My father was called Gundu.
Okay.
So they call me Gundu, 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 Gundu. I am famous now, Gundu. Everybody knows me by Gundu. Nobody knows that my name is Prabhakar Asgaonkar.
Okay.
All the people are like my friends here.
Yeah.
And they all respect me, I also respect them. And they call me Gundu only. They may know by all girls, balls, they know me by Gundu only.
Yeah.
Secondly, I am here for last 3 years. I got Best Bartender Award also last year, which I received in St. Regis Hotel in Lower Parel, Mumbai. I was sent to Mumbai first time by flight by our owner, Mr. Atish Fernandez, who is running this place. Requested my all friends to visit Joseph Bar and see this very unique place. So people respect me, I also respect my friends, and they come here. This is the story. Yes, sir.
So guys, that is it from Joseph Bar here in Panjim city. You definitely have to come to check out this place and you'll definitely have a great time. Come here, meet Mr. Gundu, come and meet anybody at this bar and you'll have an incredible time guys. So definitely do check it out.